Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's move on to question number 10. The diagram shows a pentagon. That means you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 sides. Calculate the interior angle B. You can, if you look at some formula book, there are given formula to find the sum. However, to maintain the consistency, I will still use the same thing what I've taught you. For polygon, we have two formula that you need to know of. One is exterior angle equals to 360 divided by n, and then interior angle plus exterior angle is equals to 180. So these are the two things that you use for polygon. And just remember that regular polygon have all equal sides, all equal angles. Okay, so calculate the interior angle of B. So first we can find what's the value. So even though this is not the a regular, we can still use these two by adding the third one. Once you find the interior angle, you multiply the interior angle with the number of sides to get the sum of the interior angles for that particular polygon. Okay, so exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by, for this pentagon, so that means divide by 5, 72 degrees. Interior angles is equals to 180 minus 72, which is equals to 108. Therefore, the sum of angle for a pentagon, sum of interior angle of a pentagon is equals to 108 times by the number of sides is 5, which is equals to 540. And this 540 is we're going to use for this particular pentagon, which has unequal interior angles. But still, since we know the sum, so what we can do is for this particular pentagon, 106 plus 120 plus 79 plus 148 plus angle B is equals to 540. Simplify all that, so you get B is equals to 87. Okay. In the pentagon, AE is equals to 8 centimeter and AD is equals to 15 centimeter. Calculate the length of ED. Show your working. AE equals to 8, AD is equals to 15. AE is equals to 8. AE is equals to 8, and then what was it, the other one? AD is equals to 15. 80, which means I just need to draw a line here. That's 15, and that's the one you need to find. I'll use this angle here. Drawing that back with the labels A, E, D, 120 here, 8 is here, 15 is here. This one, non-right angle triangle. You have the option of sine rule, cosine rule. Sine rule, 2 angles, 2 sides. We have 3 sides, 1 angle. That means not sine rule, cosine rule. A square is equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Right, and making sure that this side A and this angle A must be corresponding to each other. So in this case, A here would be 15 square and this would be cosine of 120. Okay, so b could be 8 square plus c is ed, the one that we need to find. So 2 times b, which is 8 times ed times cos of 120. Simplify that. So 225 equals to 64 plus ed square minus, use your calculator, 2 times 8 times cos 120, you would get negative 8 with that, so that will be positive 8 ed. Simplified it, and what you actually get is a quadratic equation. Okay, that's a quadratic equation. Let's see, let ed equals to x, so that means x squared plus at x minus 161 equal to 0. So let me do that so you become familiar. A quadratic equation that looks more familiar. So definitely this one is using the quadratic because it's correct to one decimal place. So that means x is equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. This is something that this is the formula that you need to memorize. A is equals to 1, b is equals to 8, c is equals to minus 161. Again, be careful with the negative sign. Do not ignore any negative at all. Substitute it. It's square minus 4. Oh, sorry. A is supposed to be 1. Okay. A is 1. 4ac minus 161 over 2a to 1. Using a calculator, simplify. You should get that one. So the two values that you get is either addition or using the subtraction. The addition would get you 9.3. The subtraction will give you minus 70. So we ignore this one because a side can't be negative. So that way, you can put that one correct to one decimal place.